Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to use your WhatsApp account across multiple phones. Previously, WhatsApp has allowed users of the encrypted messaging platform to link up to 4 devices to their account, but only one of those devices could be a smartphone. Fortunately, that has changed for the better, and WhatsApp has introduced the option to use the same account on multiple phones. So now you can link another phone as one of your 4 additional devices, the same as when you link the WhatsApp on web browsers, tablets, and desktops. That said, let's get started. First up, you have to download and launch WhatsApp on the additional phone you would like to use. Then, instead of entering the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account, tap the link to existing account option to generate a QR code. On your primary phone, open WhatsApp and then go to Settings. Then tap on Linked Devices. After that, tap on a linked device option and then scan the QR code using your phone's camera. That's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. Once the QR code is scanned and the sync is complete, you will be able to see all the conversations that you have had on your original phone. Moreover, you will also have the ability to send and receive text and voice-based messages, get involved in group chats, and have access to all of the other things that you are used to doing on your primary phone just now on your companion phone as well. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can set up and use your WhatsApp account across multiple phones. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.